Combined Force Maritime Component Command Course kicked off this week with flag and general officers from around the world in attendance. Admiral James Fogo and Vice Admiral Lisa Franchetti led open discussion with the goal of improving the effectiveness of senior leaders who routinely function together at the operational level of command and control.
And everybody here has different views from his own perspective, from his own country, and we're getting together those views and sharing them, and that makes us better at the end.
We learn from each other and from a variety of very professional and experienced lecturers, and discuss how we can work more closely together in order to solve these challenges.
Reporting from Naples, Italy, I'm Petty Officer Jake Stanley.